Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how to record a video using camera on a laptop. So first, what you guys want to do is open the camera app on your laptop. After you do that, as you guys can see here we have a front-facing camera, and now we need to click on this mode so we can take a video. Now click it, and as you guys can see, now it's recording and we can stop by clicking it again. And here we can also check our recorded video. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.